You know what it is, bro?
Say what's up.
Yeah.
Yo, that shit was awkward as all
Yo. I gotta work on that intro, yo.
I don't even know that shit in there, bro. I don't even care.
Man, cause Kev gonna look at me through the fucking mirror. I'm like, yo, why the fuck you look at me? Cause he looked dead at me in my soul. I'm like, bro, you all wanna laugh. Why you looking at me? Like, why you looking at me, pop?
Bro, I remember.
Damn! Everybody over here. Look at this line.
Everybody wants that sandwich.
No, but we going inside, yo. Fuck this.
Oh,
It's gonna be quicker. It's gonna be
going
quicker
inside?
It's gonna be quicker. We going inside, bro. This Chick-fil-A. This shit. Never mind.
Damn, no. Yeah. What the fuck?
Oh, fuck no.
That shit, it's a Saturday too, dog. I don't even know what the fuck is happening. Anyways, we doing the fucking, a little mukbang or whatever for this vlog. And we about to grab some Chick-fil-A and then we gonna grab the Popeyes chicken sandwich, compare the two.
This hot as shit.
It's not even hot, bro. Tripping. Anyways, I'll see you guys in a few.
Yo, Pop. Yo, ask him where the fuck he got that shit from.
Popeyes, bro?
No, which Popeyes?
I think over there. This man over here chilling, he fucking that shit up.
Yo, that chicken sandwich got niggas doing crazy shit, pop.
What?
I'm just thinking about somebody's whip with the sandwich, yo. Fucking
That
crying.
shit crazy. He goated.
I'm saying that shit.
This man goated. That shit crazy. He out here in the back fucking up a sandwich, yo. Only in this Philly.
Oh, alright. He's stopping at the other light. Never mind.
Hey, he straight swerve, yo. Man, out here.
You should have broke this light, ain't gonna lie.
Yeah.
Another.
Yo, we went to 2 different Popeyes already, and they sold out on both locations. We got what, 4th and Lehigh and shit.
I'm gonna drop my girl food off though, cause
You better drop it off?
yeah, cause she got a last appointment at 5.
You got last appointment at 5?
Yeah, she was trying to eat before that.
Yo, that's crazy, yo. And these fucking Popeyes.
That was Nick, right?
Yeah,
Look at my eyes, can I get your number?
Oh my.
That was that boy with the weakest pickup line on the planet.
Yeah.
He gonna walk up to the shorty, a freshman too, and he was 22 years old, talking about, look at my eyes, can I get your number?
What?
That nigga was wildin'.
Fuck. Oh my god.
My fault. I forgot. You think it's only rated 9 years old.
9 years old. No, it ain't even that shit. It's not even that.
But I'm wildin' out. I'll calm down. He don't want to get monetized.
Bro, you can't even tell that story on the story time.
No.
Everybody gonna be calling you a deadbeat.
I'm not gonna bring up that part. Of course, I'm gonna leave that part that puts me at the bad guy out, nigga.
Yeah.
I set myself up for failure. Oh, that's the dickhead that left that go with the baby. Oh, you dickhead. I'm still popping up every Christmas and birthday. That's it. Every Christmas and birthday, don't worry, I'll be there for a fact. I'll pull up with.
Whose birthday? Yours or his?
My birthday. I want him to give me something. I mean, probably for like Christmas. I'll probably buy a pair of ones and give him like one on his birthday, one for Christmas.
Alright, there go my Kai.
Yeah. Damn. Oh man. Oh, you know him?
Yeah.
That's the boy that stop the crackhead.
Anyway, so I'll see you in the next location. Shit, back over here, just chilling. What you call? Dropping off some food over at the crib.
I'm mad. We really went to 2 Popeyes and both of them are sold out.
Oh.
We really got out the fucking car. We got out the car. Take off, I don't want you to get monetized.
Bro, my channel's not monetized anyway. You can curse however the fuck you want, bro.
What the nigga, yo? Nah, we went to 2 Popeyes. We really got out that car to go to the side and look salty as shit when that drive-thru had like 6 cars. Yo, hold this shit. My fault, I didn't mean to say it like that. I should have popped on his head, bro. I should have popped on his head.
Hold on, that's his.
Yo, you put it inside.
You right?
This nigga can't, bro. Like, he's a smarty. I don't know. Yo, Vic.
What up?
You're gonna need to perform a baptism to get that shit on my head, bro. Vic, I don't know what I'm gonna do. I'm the nigga who preaches about only going for 7 and up, and I actually did that.
Yo.
That's my reputation out the door. Do you understand what I did, bro? Like, it's like, it hurts.
Yeah.
I went home, my fucking face smelled like a coochie. Alright, that sounds bad.
Yo.
Nigga, no, bro, never again. I'm speaking to her today. Yo, cut the line off. That's it, Pop. Because, bro, Vic, if I do that again, I'm gonna tell you, and I'm gonna let you two-piece me like you want the two-piece the horse. Nigga, you don't understand, bro. Like, you don't understand.
Bro.
You know when you look at yourself in disgust. No, you probably don't know. No, I know that shit. I took a hot ass shower, bro. Fuck that. I took 3 showers.
Yeah.
I had to get that shit off my body. On top of that, shit was sweating. Oh
You
God.
need Jesus, bro.
It was like fucking two fucking potatoes smacking. Oh, I can't even describe it. Oh my God, no.
Damn.
Can't think of it. But I'm telling you,
That's
the best top you ever gonna get is from a plate cleaner. Never forget that. It's like they think that shit's a hot dog. It go all the way down. Or you don't even have to ask them and they going crazy. No hands. No hands at all, Pop. That
No
shit is
hit.
just straight regular. No, fuck that, bro. Never again. Never again. I'm telling you, never again.
Oh shit.
I'm staying with only 7 it up. I knew I should have stood where my thing is at. Thick girls, yeah, but fat girls, I weigh 140. I'm not meant for that. That's too much for me, bro. I'm taking a good. I'm taking.
As you can see, big bang
I'll be back. This is out of pocket, yo. Oh my gosh. We at fucking Common Ave right now, right?
In a quarter mile, turn right.
Oh my gosh. It was like a fucking 6 Popeye we went to. This shit is
Watch
fucking
this shit be
ridiculous.
sold out too? I'm hoping it's not.
Yo, I really hope it's not, bro. I'm hungry as shit.
I'm trying to get these sandwiches.
Let's see. It's probably the most bougie Popeyes though.
This is the most bougie Popeye I've ever had.
Bougie Popeye.
So it might be.
Let's see.
I mean, it's all the way over there. So.
Oh, we gotta go in there? Why did they change Kicks USA to Snipes?
They just partnered up with like a European retailer.
Oh, okay.
Hey.
Man, so it's like.
Did they ever go to our high school? Did they? Why is she built like that? Why is she built like that though? Damn, no booty in the pants. That shit terrible. I'm just gonna tip her because she got no ass.
You got a
These
pocket.
niggas just skipped the fucking speed bump.
But if you ever see me whipping a punch buggy, bro, hit me.
I'm hitting you with the Superman punch through the windshield.
Oh my God. Imagine. F5 me on the fucking dashboard. Nigga. What do you see somebody like
Hold on, it's right there.
It's right there? Alright, let's see if it's back then.
Okay, let's see. Let's
Is
hope.
this nigga on a scooter?
Let's hope. This man out here.
Let's see. Some nigga just came out of Popeyes.
Hiring. Sandwiches sold out.
Oh.
Oh my gosh,
And
yo.
there's so many niggas in there too.
Like, why are they in there?
But there's so many. Like, what do y'all did? Yo, can we just go to Wendy's and get a soda?
Like, hold on.
Yeah, nigga do need a drink, yo.
Yeah, I do need a drink, bro.
Oh
My mouth is dry as shit. And then this Wendy's is line as long as shit too.
Bro, I'm disappointed. I'm gonna just sit in here.
But discipline not even the word. Like, I want to swing on somebody's mother.
I'm gonna just sit in the car, yo. Fuck all that. You said I wonder what Sasquatch pussy look like.
Man, nigga, you gotta get a. Forget about a weed whack. That shit will break the weed whack machine. Well, nigga, you need a lawnmower.
1 mile.
You need some. Like, you probably have to go through that shit for like a hot 10 minutes to like just take off the first layer. Matter of fact, you probably could braid that shit. You think about it.
You need an army of barbers up in that shit.
Oh, get the clippers. I get that shit a 4x4 with a hairline.
Yeah, that shit a number 0.
You said what?
A number 0.
Oh my God. Bro, no,
Number 0 all around.
you gonna be the fade and everything, bro?
Oh shit.
A number 0 with a ball fade. And that shit, nah, I don't know though. Like, nah.
Damn.
That shit just like just thinking about it, like, man, oh my god. On top of that shit like 7 feet tall too. Jesus. Kev, you ain't handling all that.
I'll be scared that shit comes on my door.
Oh,
On my block, as a matter of fact, yo.
that shit got a whole foot on you, Vic.
Nigga, shit got like 2 feet on me.
Oh shit.
Thought that shit was.
But yeah,
thought that
bro,
shit was fat pussy.
Bro, y'all think Sasquatches could possibly be real? Or no?
You can never doubt anything, to be honest. I mean,
Yeah, you be seeing the craziest shit.
I mean, nah, I think what's like really craziest wasn't the sea, to be honest, because we only explored like 1%.
Well, like the show that pissed me off is called "To Find a Bigfoot," but they never find one.
No.
Every episode they talk about people who find one, but they never find a Bigfoot at all.
I don't know. At this point, my honest opinion, I don't think Bigfoot is real. Until I see this dude, I don't think he's real.
All right, how about we go to Maryland, wait in the woods?
In half a mile.
Nah,
turn
nigga,
right
we gonna
onto
need some
Roosevelt
thermal
Boulevard.
scopes, bro. Fuck that.
I seen Bigfoot in GTA 5 though. I know that.
Oh yeah. But it's just like, think about it. We're talking about a 7-foot man walking like monkey type shit, bro. Like you think of that shit, you don't even believe it could be possible. I don't know, bro.
That shit is ridiculous.
I don't know.
Sasquatch.
What about dinosaurs? I think that goes. Y'all go with that.
I think dinosaurs are real.
I feel like they were real, but the sounds are kind of fake that they make. Cause like, who would know what they sound like?
Yeah, that's
Nobody
true.
was there at that time, right?
Nobody was there.
I mean, they be finding the bones and shit, and them shit be huge.
It should be crazy.
Yeah, like you sit there, you actually think about that shit. It's one of the things like, yo, like if that shit actually exists, like how did we end up like that whole thing with monkey into man shit? I don't think that I don't know, but if you look at their hands and their feet, it's exactly like a human's thing.
Yeah.
But I don't think we was part monkey, bro. I don't believe that. I wouldn't take that. But it's just the fact that, and bro, I've been reading the Bible.
Record again.
I don't know. There's something about that I don't know about. Over Area 51 raid, I heard that, but there's no way that shit gonna pop. They're gonna pull out AC-130, but they're gonna pull out AC-130s in the air and start bombing niggas.
Pulling out all Call of Duty kill streaks on them people.
Bro, they gonna have a chopper gun, a gunship, a fucking helo pilot.
Predator missile.
Oh my god. Imagine they're gonna have RCXDs coming out the gateway.
My nigga, the first kill streak is gonna come out is an SR-71 Blackbird, yo.
Yo, imagine, nigga.
Yo, there they go right there. Predator missile right there.
Nigga. I don't know, but I really feel like they probably do got, cause like,
bro,
they don't explain so much shit if you think about it. Like so much shit is hidden, and so many of us are brainwashed about that shit. I really feel like aliens do like the shit that we see, and they try to make up bullshit for us. Like, bro, I'm not gonna believe that shit, Pop. I don't know. I feel like they do got fucking aliens in there too. And I feel like, bro, that whole thing with us landing on the moon is a fucking hoax.
It's a hoax.
Yeah, cause there was wind on the fucking moon. I'm not believing that shit. Just get out of here with all that. I think we faked that shit so we could beat Russia.
So we could beat Russia.
Yeah, cause I heard wasn't Russia trying to do that shit too before us?
Russia be trying to do everything that we do.
Yeah. Russia would fuck us up in war. I'll tell you that. Russia would definitely fuck us up.
We got a lot of allies, bro.
That's the thing.
We got a lot of allies. Global, bro.
And what if Trump fucks that up?
Nigga, we fucked.
No.
But right now, I'm telling you, we got a lot of allies, bro.
This nigga Bernie Sanders talking about, oh, vote for me, I have legal weed. See, he could just be chatting. Because Trump was chatting about a wall, and where's the wall at? Still in his mother's asshole, and it's been what, 4 years?
In 3/4 of a mile.
Bro, I'm telling you,
take
like,
a slight right
it's
turn
terrible.
onto
bro,
Yeah.
Vic,
What?
do you realize how long it would take to build that wall?
My nigga.
I don't think we're talking about building it from I believe it is what, like Cali, all the way to over, bro. There's no way. But you know, it would take at least 10 years to build that wall. If you really think about it, bro.
And for nothing, bro.
Yeah, and they'll probably
for nothing. There's already a fucking fence up, like.
Yeah.
But I don't. That's a chat. He was chatting. We're gonna build a wall, and then they're talking about we're gonna make Mexico. Why would Mexico purposely pay for that shit? You sound dumb.
That's dumb.
We're gonna build a wall. I'm gonna make Mexico pay for it. What, nigga?
You know Taco Bells are banned in Mexico.
So what?
Taco Bells are banned in Mexico.
Are banned in Mexico?
Yeah, they
Seriously?
don't have no Taco Bells in Mexico, bro.
Why is it disrespect to their culture or something?
Because Taco Bell represents itself as an American food brand.
Yo, kid, why you got eyes on your forehead?
What?
What the fuck? You didn't see that shit? Kev, move your head down. You see that shit, Vic?
Oh shit!
You see that
The
shit?
mirror, yeah.
The mirror,
I'm taking a picture of that shit, bro. You got a long ass foot. I gotta take a picture of that shit, bro. You see that? Move your head down a little bit. The camera's not really picking it up. Never mind, it's not picking it up. But yeah, that shit scared the shit out of me, bro. I thought you, what the fuck? I thought that shit was real for a second, bro.
51 type shit.
Oh.
No, I think they're gonna raid, bro. They're gonna raid that shit. But it's not gonna be successful for
It's
shit,
not,
bro.
It's not, bro. It's
Take a
not.
slight right
Thing
turn
is,
at
all the people that
exact
signed the petition are not going.
They're not all going. They actually, they actually trying to get licensed. They actually got licenses to other places in Nevada to host a music festival. I forget. Oh, they call the music festival Alien Stock.
I don't think you realize that how far that long road is to get to the gate. So they can have niggas ready right there.
They're already taking precaution.
Yeah, they said it. They said, well, we'll start shooting niggas up. Y'all try it.
Bro.
They said it.
Yeah.
Cause it tells you like right at the line that you can't cross. Like, yo, you cross this shit, we can shoot the shit out you. And there's nothing you can do except die.
Damn.
I do want to go there, bro, and just take a picture. But it'd be hot as a bitch there, bro.
It'll be interesting to go over there, but like I'm not willing to die to see some aliens.
I know, what I want to do, I want to follow one of the workers go home and interrogate the shit out of him.
My nigga.
Bro, they're gonna be trained. Well,
it
depends. But the guards and shit, they're fucking trained stone cold killers, bro. They have no regrets. They have, bro. The way they're trained is crazy.
I'm talking about the niggas that, not the guards, the niggas that work in there. The pussy doctor niggas. Them niggas. Interrogate, follow them home.
They're probably tracked. Like.
Right? They probably pussy in it. Because I heard, bro, you know what I heard? That they implant stuff in us as babies. They send our head as babies or some shit like that. I think it's a cap though.
Yeah.
But I heard that they do that shit, that they implant something in us, some shit like that. Oh, that's what they're trying to do now.
Mm-hmm.
But I feel like, I don't know. I don't know. So some shit in the Bible, that shit really be happening now, bro.
Yo. It's that crazy shit.
I don't know, man. Shit. Everything's crazy nowadays, bro.
Mm-hmm.
Everything's crazy. The way that shit's going, I don't know. That should be having me think. When I'm in the crib with myself, that should be having me think.
And what about that shooting that happened in Erie?
Shouldn't happen in Erie.
You didn't hear about it?
Oh.
Yo, this bull was dropping kill streaks on cops, bro. This shit was ridiculous.
Oh, that big ass shooting.
Yeah.
Yeah, I heard that. I'm like, niggas was really outside recording that shit while they was shooting, bro. What if one of them bullets did that you get shot? Right in your mid.
Bro, them motherfuckers going to extreme lengths.
Bro, do you know how?
Crazy footage.
But niggas is really, and I'm mad because bitches really want niggas like that. Oh man, I would heard it. No, fuck that. You shouldn't be cheering that on, nigga. You shouldn't want niggas like that. Like, no, fuck all that.
Ridiculous.
That's just, for me, that's just dickhead shit. Like, that's just dickhead shit. But literally, like, there was literally a war between niggas out here and cops. That shit is sad, bro. I'm trying to get the fuck out of Philly.
Oh, rap, man. I'm going to Florida with that.
Bro,
Philly
motherfuckers.
Whoever's watching this and you're not from Philly, don't ever think of moving to Philly. Don't even visit Philly.
Bro, Philly is crazy. No, I really want to make Philly a better place.
Yeah.
Nigga, that shit's not. Get the hell out of here.
Bro, it can happen. It's just you need the right vehicle. People don't see the right vehicle.
Man, they're gonna see the right. They're gonna see the right crackheads under that.
Alright, but all we're taught is school this, school that. Not everybody's a fucking school person. That's the thing.
That's what I was saying.
You need different things.
That's what. But what are we just here?
Thing is, if you think about it, school, like colleges and stuff, they were created by businessmen. But they do not teach you.
I bet, bro. Listen to this. We all programmed the same way.
We're all.
What's the Vic? What are we born to do to live our life? What do they tell you in life?
So that's your final goal. Go to college, get a good job.
Why the fuck do I want to work for somebody for the rest of my life?
Exactly.
That's what I'm saying.
I want to be my own boss, nigga.
Yeah.
Why do I want to live under somebody's name for 20 years? No, fuck.
You're making more money for them than you're making money for yourself.
That's a fact. That's what I'm saying. Like, bro, I don't want to be somebody's employee for the rest of my life. Fuck that, bro.
It's ridiculous.
I want to be making a hustle
It's
in my
back
own
there,
money.
bro.
It is?
Yeah, you gotta turn that shit around. Just hit that joint.
You know?
You gonna let me go? Or you going slow as shit?
Now, the wave right now is social media, bro.
Yeah.
Like that TikTok app, bro, that shit is, if you want to invest in that now, because that shit's gonna blow up in the future. You're gonna regret it for the rest of your life. If I had 10 bands, I'll put like 5 into that shit.
The last Popeyes. You over here.
Yup, let's see, Pop. Please, 2K.
They really got the
I thought I was really gonna run that nigga over.
Yeah, security, they're ready for them chickens.
Yeah.
Go ahead, nigga, y'all fucking staring and shit. It's another school sport.
Anyways, let's see. Let's hope they got this shit. Yo.
Pop.
This don't look like.
It don't even look like they got it. Look, come on, 2K, don't sell me out.
This is Be Back Soon. The sign that Mingo had.
You okay? If you shoot it.
There's a line up in there. Alright, hold up.
Yeah, one of us should go in
This shit. Alright.
Come look for the fucking camera, y'all. I was too
I'll be honest, I didn't know there was a regular chicken sandwich.
There was, bro. It's Chick-fil-A. They sell nothing but chicken.
I don't eat chicken, bro. Is it gonna tell right now?
It's in the name, bro. Anyways, Popeyes trip, that shit was a failure. They had no chicken sandwich anywhere. Fucking, all the fucking Popeyes, all of them were packed. All of them had signs saying, sorry, come back later for the chicken sandwich. And we were sick as shit. Went through like 6 different ones. And just all that shit, fuck all that shit. Anyways, we right here, Chick-fil-A, mukbanging and shit. This is homie right there in the background eating. Like a homeless rat.
Like a homeless rat. This shit's kinda good, I don't lie to you.
It's good, bro, I'm telling you.
Let me know when you take a bite of that burger so I give you a sip of the Kool-Aid.
Alright, I'm trying to get my fries out. Dang, all my fries is falling out.
Woo!
I ate fried definitely some buffalo sauce. I got 2 more packs of this shit anyway.
You gonna stay up my fault, bro. You gonna stay all the way over there, Nick?
You wanna come over here?
Actually.
If anything, you sit on my bed and use a stool as a table. That shit a mess. I gotta clean. I got nothing for my laundry on that shit. It's clean.
I didn't say that shit, right?
Yeah. I don't want to unfold these clothes.
That's your clothes, Kev. The folded clothes, well, they were folded.
What folded clothes?
On the one top of my book bag. That's your shit. That's not my shit. None of that shit mine. Yeah. Original idea was to get Popeyes chicken sandwich and Chick-fil-A chicken sandwich, compare the two, see which one is better. But that shit ain't happen, so it's just a fucking regular ass Chick-fil-A mukbang / Chinos if I even get to recording that.
No, you ain't get to record that shit. You should have. What about that?
Chinos?
Yeah, I was like, I make it full pizza rolls.
With a frappuccino.
Y'all was out of pocket, yo. Y'all was asking for y'all food to get spit in.
I might have run over there, yo. What the fuck is that saliva on my shit? Look at this, bro.
What?
I don't know. I just want to look at it.
Okay.
No, they actually put more pepper than I mean, not pepper. More fucking beef than I thought they would. Or is that all peppers at the bottom?
As soon as I get on, he invites me to a party.
Who?
I don't know. Oh, they said. That's
Not fair. Did he ever change his gamer tag?
Scary clown.
Yeah.
Nope. That's just still a scary clown.
I think they had my shit as like Terry or Carrot or some shit.
Yeah.
That shit was the most nuttiest shit. Like Scary Clown actually sounds like somebody actually created that job.
I was like, yo, Tony.
Yo, Tony.
I'm gonna have to make, cause I'm recording a video.
A video of Jada, yo. This nigga sent me a video of himself as a young boy.
Yo, that shit was fucking hilarious. So his voice was mad squeaky.
I gotta find my phone.
Like mad squeaky.
I've been seeing him like once every minute, so his voice be changing.
Yeah. Still be on that Fortnite shit, even though he be talking shit about that game. Probably good.
You didn't take a bite of that burger?
Yeah, oh shit. Oh well.
Some of it I got black, I got white. What you want?
That's how he used to sound.
Straight young boy.
Tony said you could return it if you got the receipt with the receipt.
This nigga was talking all up in the fucking camera. He had his nostril in the lens.
Mom, now that you left, she's not making me a sandwich. You waited till you leave and then she says she's not making me a sandwich.
Give me a sandwich.
I think I bought him food that day, yo.
What was it? How long was this ago?
I don't know.
Mom, now that you left, she's not making me a sandwich. You waited till you leave and then she says she's not making me a sandwich.
Why they put the lettuce and tomato at the bottom? Find that weird. Oh no.
What?
Bro, I'm such a bad texter, yo.
What you mean by bad texting?
I'm bad. I'm terrible at this shit too.
Bro, like I be starting conversations with people. And then like I be forgetting I be texting them, yo. Be forgetting.
Niggas be texting bitches and actually reply like 2 hours late.
I be on the text side. You say laughing at my turtle?
Turtle.
Man, what the fuck is wrong with his head?
What?
Yo, you was like,
He deaf, yo.
bro, that was the best bite of the week.
Yo, bro, that shit was crazy.
He definitely tagging him. It was alright. Nah, it was good. I ain't gonna lie to you. It was good.
I'm telling you.
I mean, I fucked with my John.
I got you right now, Vic. I'm all Fatso.
Ripping this shit out that
Yeah.
fruit punch.
Hold on. My hands are messy.
Shut the fuck up, Ken. I double gripping that shit though too. It's like a fucking spider.
He said, alright, pick. But your hand look like the claw from.
When you grab the stuff and then.
Like that, What the fuck did he put in this shit, yo?
It tastes good as shit, right?
Yo, that shit good.
Take a sip. Take a sip of that shit. Go ahead, go. It tastes
That
good.
shit.
I got addicted to this shit. You okay?
That shit definitely
Okay.
tastes like Kool-Aid.
Okay.
Bro, big
Right.
as shit, bro. That joint be big as shit. It be like this, bro.
Yeah, definitely do.
We be putting butter on that claw or something.
Yeah, I heard that shit is going to see your whoa.
Cause you pulling the plug.
All that shit came out. Oh shit.
For the best part of this chino shit, yo, it's the sauce. Like I just love that shit on a white rice.
Oh yeah.
Is that good?
Mm-hmm.
You wanna try it? You wanna try it, John?
No, I'm sure. I'm good.
No, but this sandwich slaps though. I'm just so mad I didn't get the Popeyes chicken sandwich.
Bro, like everybody been saying that shit.
Yeah, everybody say that shit like hit, bro. Like I said that it's like a must.
Like Richie the only person. And then this nigga was like, yeah, I got that joint last week.
Happy as shit.
He said,
He just straight flexed on us right there.
Yeah.
I was like, all that for a sandwich? Man, I got that joint last week. I was like, damn,
he said, I only ate half of it.
that's fucked up.
Right. I was thinking about racking up
Yo,
that shit.
how many
like,
pizzas did I order again?
Did you order like 4?
He gave me 3.
I don't know.
I'm definitely about to go over there and order my pizza roll. Oh, that just blew mine. This shit, but it just look good as shit, don't it?
I like egg rolls better.
Bro, I don't think I'm gonna be ever too bougie for like the Poppy store or anything.
I don't know. Bro, and they cheesesteaks be legendary. They be sleeping on on some shit. When y'all go to Philly, y'all going out for cheesesteaks. Hit up a fucking Poppy store, yo. Hit up a corner store, a bodega. I'm telling you, y'all sleep on those cheesesteaks. Y'all be going to Patch and Geno's and shit. Overrated.
Steve's is not though. Steve's, that joint is shit.
I haven't had Steve's.
Steve's is that joint give you body shots.
Things that I'm drawing, they be so expensive.
Well, you heard it from him. He said
Steve.
Steve's, that shit slaps. And I heard Max's slaps too. That shit's like the most popular cheesesteak spot in North Philly. I haven't had that joint, but I would be recording that shit.
Yo, Kev. Hey, you look directly.
Whatever. What's so funny, yo?
That's him. Like,
Y'all niggas out there laughing in the background and shit.
he said, I'm about to dive in.
My man's had goggles and a swimming cap on. He said,
Oh.
Yo, what happened to all the napkins you had?
"This in my car."
Oh my gosh.
I mean, we went to the Chinos. We had magic from there. They gave me this, bro. Oh, this is what they gave me.
Flimsy ass napkins, yo.
Yo, I remember I was actually about to buy Black Ops for a week before.
You about to buy what?
Black Ops for a week.
For the Wii?
I ain't gonna lie, that text just made me lose my appetite.
What?
That text.
I don't want to eat this shit. I'm gonna eat it on my own.
I
That piss
mean,
me off.
for our session later.
Nah, I'm about to eat me out with my homeboy.
Right now? Damn.
Mm.
Yo, that's crazy.
Damn. Oh man. That sandwich was good as shit, man. Still hungry after that.
After you want one, you just want more and more and more.
I'm about to dip that shit in empty fucking buffalo sauce.
Bro, I'm disappointed. I'm one of that Popeyes chicken sandwich.
That's a fact.
man.
I was like, we're gonna do this video, we're gonna get this shit done. Next thing you know, 5 Popeyes, nothing.
I would still put that shit in the title. I'm like, yo, I'm gonna just put, I thought I was gonna get a Popeyes chicken sandwich.
Chick-fil-A versus the Chinos.
The Chinos be hitting though, bro.
Mm-hmm.
Dude, one thing I don't know, I only fuck with Genesis chicken when I'm fried. Now I can only get like 5 pieces too. But other than that, I can't dog this shit like that, dude.
What?
Genesis chicken?
Oh no, I don't really eat
I like
that. I like it. I just don't like it like I used to.
You eat it so much.
I like this shit more now.
I still love that joint, yo.
It's like the same sauce from like like shrimp and broccoli or chicken and broccoli.
Yeah.
But instead, like it got a little like green pepper taste because you don't have green peppers in it.
Green pepper taste?
Like a little green pepper flavor.
Yeah, I'm feeling hungry. I might eat some egg rolls.
What time you guys meet up with your man?
So you say you went to the chill. Maybe today I was gonna pop through my boy's house real quick.
You don't
Oh,
smoke?
they gave me all mustard and no duck sauce. So what the fuck?
And then Pie wants to link up too, but that nigga stays all the way by 40th Street.
Damn.
I know he ain't trying to come over here.
Put it again. Yo. Out of pocket.
This nigga cares, but he's hilarious.
I got a food dog.
Yeah, the intro is hilarious, dude.
I know.
Well,
That shit about to be the most obnoxious intro up in YouTube.
Bro, that was the funniest intro.
Yeah.
Because he comes in, he looks right at the fucking the mirror, and he looks dead at me in my eyes. I'm like, bro, you know I want to laugh. Why would you look at me completely like, yo, this nigga can. God.
Damn. That shit. What's so funny right now?
bro, this is you, bro.
Right there? What? Yo.
That's crazy.
That's out of pocket.
Damn, Tony Robles. Let me stop.
It was this boy. Yo. I think it was this one.
I think I won.
Nah, it like he took like 4 Xans before he did that shit. He came in hype-ish. Like, you didn't even see your face. You just saw a forehead just glance by. Yeah. like a Moby Dick coming out the water.
Niggas fucking.
But that's a funny ass intro.
Bro, it would have been funny if my glasses flew.
If a what?
Yeah, glasses.
Oh my.
Yo,
I would have pissed myself down, bro.
that shit
Oh
happened.
shit, hold on. Let's restart that. Let me see.
What's good? Back to the vlog. Today, very boring. Uneventful is all shit. What? I'm getting ready.
Send that to me. Send that to me. Why I look like a dick next to his forehead?
For tomorrow, because tomorrow is definitely gonna be fucking late, yo. So y'all definitely should stay tuned for that.
Yo, look at this thing.
Tomorrow, the little river rat.
He should have get his doggy style.
River rat, man, river rat. It's just Saturday. It's just gonna be crazy. So today I'm just gonna get ready for that. Wash my clothes, make sure I have my water shoes, and I have to go out buy a new pair.
Bro, I'm tired from driving the Popeyes and
Buy
Popeyes.
food for tomorrow. All that
You
good
niggas
shit.
doing the DDG.
Yes,
You niggas over there uploading 30-minute vlogs.
Hopefully I don't drop my fucking phone. Matter of fact, I think I might take my camera over there.
You must, yo, when you can start like putting ads in your videos?
Yeah, stay tuned. Definitely, I'll be
Cool.
recording tomorrow. Even while I'm on a rap, so pray to God I don't lose my equipment.
But next up on the ads, you know, I get 1,000 subs. And I think I need
What the hell is that?
Right now,
Cousin.
one
12
cousin.
o'clock, I haven't eaten shit. I just slept in because last night was just exhausting.
Bro, we drove.
Exhausting is awful.
We
Anyway,
drove over 12 hours just to see Nalvin for like 2 hours.
You gotta notice that niggas were back the same day.
That shit was crazy on the way back, bro. On the way back,
just waiting on pizza that's gonna come in. Probably about half hour. What's good?
y'all niggas stay on my intro.
What time was that, yo?
What time?
Yeah.
It was like 12, maybe 1.
It's just the way he said you're. It
Vlog
was like this nigga, bro.
today.
I give you that.
Okay. Oh yeah, let me show you the camera really quick.
Oh yeah.
What's wrong with that? Look at this way. That's the camera right here.
Shit.
I just need an SD card for this, John.
How much is it gonna cost you?
I got this shit for free, bro.
For real?
Yeah. This shit was crazy. My mom had this shit for a while. Never used it because a friend gave it to me. But I looked at the price of that, John. It's like a $500 camera.
Yo, what is up, man? Welcome back to the channel. Just woke up as usual. Actually, I woke up 9 o'clock. I didn't decide to get to bed now. Again, yeah. Lazy life.
No, really.
Alright, welcome back
Which
to
one?
the vlog.
Oh, that's the.
You guys did enjoy the last one.
Oh, I fucked up the recording right there.
It's the next one.
This was your first one, right?
Nope.
It wasn't?
All the way down with you in the thumbnail.
Oh yeah, you're right.
My first vlog got the most fucking most views.
I guess he should.
Anyways, I gotta do some editing and shit, man.
Oh, right here.
You guys know. Shit.
Let me stop.
Just waking up and recording.
Yeah, real shit. I'll be doing that. Anyways, yo, hopefully you guys did enjoy the video. Like, comment, subscribe, turn on post notifications. Follow me on my socials. Follow my brother right here. Shout out to him for doing all that fucking driving for no reason. No fucking reason whatsoever.
Yeah, I literally just woke up, man.
And then, shout out to my boy Nick right here. Showing up. showing love to my
We still gotta
vlog.
get that sandwich. I still want that.
We still
sandwich.
get the video's still coming up, yo. We still gonna do the comparisons. I'm gonna let you know which one is better.
I want that sandwich. I don't know why. Just the fact that we didn't get it makes me want it more.
Yo, that's some true shit, yo. But yeah. Follow him in the socials.
Imagine a sandwich selling out though. A fucking sandwich.
Yo, this shit sold out like J's, yo. The lines was crazy.
The fact that Kev had the patience to go to five of them just is unbelievable.
Bro, should have stayed in your lane, Popeyes. Who want to play games? Our pleasure. Bro, that would be crazy.
Yo, let me see if that's real.
I don't think it's real.
Let me get. I'll go to Chick-fil-A's thing right now. I have Twitter.
I don't think it's real. It can't be.
Fuck y'all still watching for? Go. Bye.